Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to get App Store back on any iPhone. Now, if you cannot find the App Store on your home screen, first of all, just check if you have removed the App Store from the home screen by mistake. Now for that, just swipe to the left side and open the app library. Now in the search bar, just search App Store. Now once you search App Store and if you find App Store from here, just drag the App Store to your home screen. Just like that. Now, if you did not find the App Store in your app library, now for the next step, you will need the passcode of the parental controls. Now, once you get the passcode of the parental controls, then open Settings. And in Settings, just tap on Screen Time. From here, you will find the option of Content and Privacy Restrictions. Just tap on it, then tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases. Now from here, just tap on Installing Apps and select Allow. And also make sure you allow all of these options. Now once you do that, now just go to your home screen and check if this fixes your issue or not. Now if this did not fix your issue, you can go back and you can also disable content and privacy restrictions on your iPhone. Now once you have done that, and if this also did not fix your issue, then just force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the power button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the power button. And this is how you can get App Store back on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.